Alright, so with this setup in mind, I am going now to go and open the Quixel bridge. So I click here on this button, then Quixel bridge. So let's say, for instance, I want this rock, okay? You can also choose here the quality of it, nanite, which is meant for Unreal 5. And you have the other resolution as well. So I'm just gonna go with the high quality. So I would need to sign in. Alright, so now that I'm signed in, I can click on the assets that I would like to have added to my scene. I can go and click download. And once I click on download, what's going to happen is that it wouldn't yet be added to my project. So what I need to do is to click on add. Let me choose something else, maybe like this. Download. Add. Maybe this. I think it's already downloaded. Download and then add. And then after that, what's going to happen is that you will get this Megascans folder, and in that Megascans folder you will have what you download. So for instance, hit F to frame around it. Then I'm gonna go to the assets. Okay, so this is how we work with the Quixel bridge. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm still learning the process with Unreal and all this, but as you can see, even with only a few hours of training, it just feels really smooth and easy, at least for me. So it would definitely feel the same way for you, I believe. I hope this helps.